Good morning. This is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson with your weekly multimedia weather briefing for this August 8th, 2024. I'll be talking a little bit about the limited heat stress that we're expecting in the south on Friday. We're expecting dry weather today and it'll last through the weekend. Heat stress conditions will increase by the middle of next week. I'll give a brief drought update and a brief tropical update. For today, we have a cold front to the south of our county warning area. It moved through last night and has ushered in slightly drier and slightly cooler air. There will be no heat stress related products issued today with this drier air in place, and our afternoon temperatures will top out cooler than they have the last several days in the lower 90s generally, and that's our normal for this time of year. Tonight we'll still have mostly clear skies around and we'll bottom out in the lower 70s at most places, and that is also for normal this time of year. For Friday, we'll have another cold front, a dry cold front approaching from the northwest. This cold front will move through Friday night and Saturday and be south of our area by Saturday afternoon. Ahead of this cold front, on Friday, we're expecting moisture to increase and our temperatures will be topping out higher as well. This increased temperature and humidity will result in heat stress conditions being limited across the southern portions of our area on Friday. It'll be dry in the wake of that cold front on Friday, and the dry will last all the way through the weekend. But by the middle of next week, temperatures will be increasing again and humidity will be increasing again, and this will lead to heat stress concerns once again. When it's all said and done, our 7-day precipitation is not showing very much across the area at all, generally less than 1/10 of an inch. We've had dry conditions for much of the period last week, and with no additional rain expected, the abnormally dry conditions that we're seeing across our northern zones will likely expand into central and maybe even southern Mississippi by the end of next week. As far as a tropical outlook, we're still looking at Tropical Storm Debbie spinning over the Carolinas, but by the first of next week, there will be an area of possible tropical development down around the Lesser Antilles. All right, to summarize, I talked a little bit about the limited heat stress that we're expecting in the south on Friday. Dry weather today will last all the way through the weekend. Heat stress conditions will increase again by the middle of next week. The abnormally dry conditions that we're expecting across our north may even spread into central and southern portions without any appreciable rainfall in the forecast. Tropical Storm Debbie is still spinning over the Carolinas, and additional tropical development is possible near the Lesser Antilles the beginning of next week. That concludes the multimedia weather briefing for this week, and as always, thanks for viewing.